Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create an aesthetic thumbnail for your vlogs in just a few minutes. A good thumbnail is important because it's the first thing people see before clicking on your video. First, let me show you a few aesthetic vlog thumbnails. Now, let's move on to the actual process. I'll be using Canva, which is super easy and free. Let's get started. Open Canva and click on Create a Design. Search for YouTube thumbnail and select it. Now, go to the vlog category. Here you'll find lots of pre-made templates that you can use. You can choose any of these templates. Choose whatever matches your vlog's vibe. For example, this one looks clean and aesthetic. Or maybe this one if you want a minimal look. I'll pick a template and replace the images with my own. Now, let's customize it. If you have your own pictures, go to the Upload section and add them. Click on the image in the template and replace it with a new one from Canva's library.